Hi guys, this is Speak About Digital, and in this video, I'll show you a simple way on how to build an app that converts images to text. First, what you want to do is just scroll down below this video to the description and click on the first link you find there. Then you're going to come across this platform, Glide. Glide is a platform that lets you create custom apps without coding. So, after clicking the link in the description, now you need to sign up to Glide. You can choose to sign up with your Google or your email address. Once you have completed the sign-up process, you will be directed to your Glide account. Now, creating an app in Glide that converts images to text is a simple process. Begin by navigating to the left menu on the Glide interface and select the Templates option. This will take you to your template page where all your existing templates are displayed. For more template options, click on the Template Store button. This will redirect you to the template library, a comprehensive collection of different templates neatly organized into various categories. You can easily browse these categories from the left menu. Additionally, if you're looking for a specific template, you can use the search bar for a faster and more efficient search. Our focus for this tutorial is creating an image-to-text app. So, type in the keyword image-to-text in the search bar. The search results will display various templates related to image-to-text conversion. For this tutorial, let's select the first template titled Image to Text. Clicking on it will take you to another page where you'll see two options on the right side, Create this app and Preview. Click on the Create this app button to proceed. This action will direct you to the editor where you can further customize the template. Once you customize the app to your liking, it's time to publish it. To do this, click on the Publish button located at the top right corner of the editor. Once the app is published, the Share button will appear in the same location. Clicking on this button provides multiple options to share your app, including via a QR code, a link, or inviting users through their email. And there you have it, a beginner's guide on how to build an image-to-text app in Glide. With these steps, you can now create an app that effortlessly converts images to text. To get started, simply sign up using the first link provided in the video description. Thank you for considering this option. I hope you found this tutorial useful and learned something new. So if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up to show your appreciation. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please don't hesitate to comment below. I will do my best to respond to all comments and provide helpful answers. Thanks for watching, and take care.